What is Qigong? This ancient practice isn't just slow movements, it's a gateway to profound peace and vitality. Imagine this: gentle movements, deep breathing, and a calm that melts away stress. That's Qigong, harmonizing body, mind, and spirit. With just a few minutes a day, Qigong can lower stress, enhance energy, and improve sleep. It's like giving your body and mind a mini vacation. You don't need any special equipment or a fancy gym, just a little space to stretch and move freely. It's easy to learn, straightforward, and deeply effective. Whether at home, work, or in the park, Qigong's flexibility fits easily into your daily routine. Take a deep breath, enjoy the slow, purposeful movements, and feel the stress melt away. Welcome to the world of Qigong, where every breath counts and everyone can give it a try.